Cessna towards me, and then there was a Cessna right now, and he's at Castilla Oliveira intersection, and I think he was possibly doing circles. I saw him when I ran back down the street a second ago. I ran halfway down to look for the copter down at Valda Caladad area, but there's a Cessna, and now there's one in the 11 p.m. line on my roof with a headlight and flashing lights. Flash, 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 flash. He's revving, and the other one's traveling at a similar speed down Castilla Street right now. Closer to Castilla Oliveira intersection now. Fake Doppler. Like he's already turning it down. He's only 80 feet, now 100 feet away from me. How is that possible? You know what? Yeah, 100 feet, and that's not much. That's not how the Doppler effect works. He just passed the backyard of the two-story house right this second, just now, and he's already quiet. So how would that be? Imagine the two-story house is probably, its backyard is 200 feet. What I said, when he's there now and he's quiet. So 200 feet away from me, he was almost silent compared to how it was. It's ridiculous.